Hello guys, welcome to in this video. In this video I am sharing about I will give you a complete overview Gmail and explain its main section include inbox, primaries, promotions, social and updates. First let's talk about Gmail. Gmail is a free email service developing by Gmail Google's. The inbox is a main section where all your received email appear. Whenever something sends you an email, it's come directly into your inbox. From here, you can read, reply, forward, delete, or organize your emails. The primary types consist of personal emails. These are messages from friends, families, colleagues, and important content. For example, if you teacher, your boss send you an emails. The promotion types consist marketing email, advertisements, discounts, offers, and knowledge newspaper companies. For example, if you sign up a shopping website, you may receive sale of a personalized message. Gmail automatically filters these email and promotion types so they do not mix your important personal emails. The promotion types consist of marketing email, advertisement, discounts, offers, and newsletters from companies and other companies. The social types include email from social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. These email may include notification, friends, request, message, or other updates. The update types contain confirmation received bills, accounts, alerts, and other important notifications. For example, when you book a tickets, make an online payment, or resend your password, the confirmation email usually appears in the update sections. These messages are important but not personal conversation, so Gmail help the organize here. So thanks for watching this.